Oh no way. Oh no way. Yeah. Shawty fell in love with the nightlife. Shawty fell in love with the nightlife.
What are you there?
I got this motherfucking ab roller a minute ago, so I've been lacking, literally. I'm trying to do like three sets of 5. Let's start off with 3 sets of 5. We got this. Okay. It's okay. It's a road. It's not a marathon. Yeah, buddy. Holy fuck. That's set 1. Whew. We're gonna take a brief intermission. Thirsty. All right, time for set 2. We got this. Oh, 1 for the money. 2 for the hose. 3 for R.I.P. little kid. 5. Intermission. Oh fuck. You gotta feed the beast. Last set. This is for the killers. That was for the dealers. 3 is to the realest. That's for the $100 bills. Bitch. Alright, I got a question. You ready?
Go ahead, DJ.
I have 2 coins that add up to 35 cents. One of them is not a quarter. What 2 coins do I have?
What 2 coins? 2?
One of them is not a quarter though.
And 1 is not a quarter.
Correct.
What? That makes 35 cents.
Correct.
Oh my goodness. That's a good one. Because I was immediately like a quarter and a dime. It can't be a half a nickel because that's 50 cents.
Half a nickel? What?
What's the answer?
Wait, is everybody done? Is everybody done? Oh my god. Alright.
It's 2 cents.
I have 2 coins.
Okay.
I have 2 coins. They equal 35 cents. One of them is not a quarter. So what 2 coins do I have?
Oh, is it like a different country?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
No.
It's USD.
US dollar?
Correct.
Oh.
USD. Come on. It's not hard.
What's the answer?
Oh, you want the answer?
Yeah, because I'm stuck.
It's a quarter and a dime.
What?
One of them isn't a quarter.
One of them is not.
So the other one is.
Oh.
This right here and there. Ready? Okay, we got it. God damn it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Maybe it's not fucking happening today, guys. I didn't even know Vegas had a fucking
Walk of fame.
yeah, what the fuck? Fly right there?
Where?
In the case? It's a fly. On his sword.
Oh yeah.
Them niggas stink for real.
Yeah, it sounds like a car is trying to turn, but it's not turning. You know?
Oh, it's
You
clicking.
walk over there, you can hear it.
Alright, so are you paying with cash card?
I'll pay with cash. You want me to go get it right now?
Yeah. I have a question for you, and you know your car better than me. If you pull that handle, will the car open, or do you need to hit the unlock button?
It will. It should unlock. Yeah. You gotta go back a lot more.
Let's see. So,
You want to go back? You see what I'm saying? Oh, there we go. We almost
I
got
want to
it.
grab the handle.
Okay, you're almost there. You're like right below it.
Below it, or do I need to go above it?
Yeah, so you gotta go up a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Here, hold this just like this.
I got you. Yeah, I'm not moving.
Okay, all right, you can see much better from here.
Oh, on the other side?
Yeah. Somebody done this before? No.
No.
Here, you come here.
Yeah.
You're gonna guide me left, right, up, down, okay?
Got you.
See what I'm doing?
Yeah, you gotta go forward and then hook it and then pull it back.
Okay.
You damn near had it, and then when you
Okay.
pulled, yeah.
Just tell me where to go. Come on it. Okay.
Oh shit, I see it.
Yeah. Oh, so hold on. Hold still.
Oh, you got a weird ass thing. We're gonna hit the unlock button, bro.
Okay.
I can't see this. Just yet.
Okay, up.
Oh, you say up. What is up this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're on the unlock button right now.
Okay.
If you could press it. Nope.
Nah, I went back down.
You went back down. So can you?
Okay, come on.
You gotta go up. There we go.
You gotta talk to me, bro. I can't read your mind.
I know. Hold on.
Right, left, up, down. Yeah. So you have to tell me.
Yeah, no, I got you.
So your handle's shaped like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I was in your car,
in the crevice of it, you just gotta get it in there. It's kind of,
okay.
yeah.
Up or down?
No, you gotta get in the door. So back up a little bit, like a tad, right there. Now, if you could hook it, like you.
Almost. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Turn that bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, the
Do it
back of
again.
the handle.
Let's go, bro. Come on. I can't.
All right.
You guys are too much.
Oh, there you go.
Do I got it?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you got
it.
that
It's turning.
bitch. Yeah, you got that bitch. Hey!